everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm wrenching on my Jeep. How to remove the grill from your Jeep Wrangler. Anybody can do it. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. The flathead screwdriver is to get your grill off. So there's little tabs holding your grill together. These little tabs right here, and you just flip this up with the screwdriver. And your best bet is to find something to put them in so you don't lose them. So I like using one of these magnetic trays, and I can just stick it right here and I put all those little tabs. So now that we have the grill, and I'm actually going to move this right here. So now that we have the grill, you just pull it. I take my under the sun inserts grill out, and there's little tabs that you pull it out. You can see the metal tabs where they go in. You just pull them out. And then you're going to want to remove the fog lights, and it's really easy. You just twist the light bulb down and pull it out. Okay, so you pull all the tabs. So you can see these little tabs. They just insert into little slots. And then you set your grill aside. Simple and easy.